Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all well. I'm going to be giving you a quick video walk round of this 1 litre petrol manual Civic Turbo SR. Comes in that stunning platinum white, sitting on top of those 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. We'll go into each of the alloys for you so you can see their condition. And we'll have a look at the bodywork as well while we're outside. Second alloy there. This car comes with the rear parking sensors, front parking sensors, and you've also got that rear parking camera. Heading into the rear of the vehicle, we'll open up the boot compartment here. As you can see, plenty of space. We have a retractable screen here as well, so you can pull that across, making your boot completely covered. And we have your 60/40 rear folding seats. Closing the boot down, we'll head on to that third alloy. And we'll head into the rear. Just fold this seat back up. And you can see that we've got the full black cloth interior with your Isofix mounting points there as well. Full electric windows throughout the car. Heading into the front now. We'll jump into the car and you'll see that we've got the full electric windows, all your door locks and your electric folding mirrors, and the operation for there is there as well. Under here we've got your parking sensors, turn them off, traction control, front collision warning and your lane assist. 6-speed manual gearbox, your stop start, your econ mode, your electronic brake hold and your electronic brake. We've got your infotainment screen here. We head to the home. We can see that you can connect to FM, AM, DAB, your iPod, and you've got HDMI connectivity as well. You've also got your Bluetooth connectivity, your full colour sat navigation, and your audio there. Heading back to the home page, get your smartphone connection as well. Onto the steering wheel guys, we've got all your controls here for your voice activation, answering your calls, your volume controls, your onboard computer system. We've got traffic, sign recognition, 16,870 miles on the clock. This side is your speed limiter and your cruise control. We've got your auto window wipers and your auto lights there as well for you. That black interior continues throughout, and your air conditioning unit as well. Jumping out, we'll show you that fourth and final alloy. If you've got any questions about the vehicle, do give us a call here at Blackpool Honda, and any one of our sales team will be able to give you a more in-depth walk around. Have a good day guys. Thank you for listening.